Alright, blower motor T20. Boom. And boom. I'm gonna pull that out. Alright, boom, this comes down. Got this light, we can disconnect here. This here, just pull right up. Unplug it, it's a plug. Boom. Unplug. Unplug. Now that's out of the way. Blower right here. Boom. Same thing. Press the sides in, pull that out. Press the sides in, pull that out. So I use 2 hands, pull that out. Alright, we'll lift the 2 clips up on the ends, pull this thing right out. That tap right here. Boom. Pull down on it. And when you pull down on it, you can turn this clockwise and pull it out. Alright, pull down on the tab, turn it clockwise, and pull this thing out. There we go. Clockwise, boom, and just play with it, wiggle it out. Boom. Now it's time for the replacement motor. It's back in place. Connect this. If you would like to learn how my company makes from $700 to $1,000 monthly off of this vehicle, drop me a message in the comments. Learn. There she goes. Mission accomplished. Woo-hoo. Got her.